Hi guys, good morning. Look what I've got here. We already received our US visa. We have an appointment last May 22 as a family. I have my 1-year-old son and my husband with me. In that time, it was May 22, 8:15 a.m. in the morning. Hindi namin talaga inakala na ma-approve kami, thank God, because yung nauna sa amin kasi is denied. So kinakabahan na talaga kami kasi hindi kami nakapag-ready ng dun na sa on the spot talaga na kami na pala kasi may priority lane pala yung may batang dala. Then yun, sunod-sunod na pala pagpasok namin na syempre sa una at pangalawang steps hindi ka muna walang priority lane doon. Pero kung papasok ka na talaga sa dun sa consul na ay yung sa malaking